Hello students, this is topic F11 and this is about the power rule. So power rule, if you don't know how to work these out, I'd like to show you a shortcut and a long way. And as usual, if you actually learn the long way, which usually teaches you why something works, you'll actually feel confident on the shortcut way using the pattern. So here's the shortcut way. When you see power to a power, when you have 5 to the third, and then in parentheses you have to the 2, the books and many videos will just tell you the shortcut and they'll say, go ahead. You can take 3 and 2 and multiply those and you'll get 6. And that's true. But if you give it a little bit of time, I'm guessing you're going to forget that if you don't know why that works, right? So that method right there is the equivalent of the shortcut, right? If here's start and here's finish, you just got there super fast. You went over the mountain. It's a little tricky, but you got there pretty fast. Here's the long way. Here's the reason why this works, okay? So the reason it works the way it does, this method I'm about ready to show you, if we were using a metaphor here, it would probably be the long way around. It takes a little longer getting there. And so it's not that we're going to use this every time. But if you can confidently say, I have a map that shows me how to get from start to finish, whether I'm good at climbing today or not, whether I remember the pattern or not, it doesn't matter. You'll confidently be able to discover which direction to go up that mountain to get to the finish. Okay? So here we go. The pattern is this, or the reason why this works is this. Exponents are repeated multiplication, right? So in the past, when we gave you 2 to the third, this just meant that you had 2.2.2, right? So the little bitty number reminds you that these are talking about having 3 of what's below connected by the little bitty dots. Now, for this one, you actually have 2 of what's below. Well, what's below? Well, this is the base. This whole thing is the base. You actually have 2 of these 5 to the thirds. This strategy we're using right now is a reason why the pattern works. And what we're doing is called expanding the exponent, okay? So when you see an exponent, you can simply expand the exponent. And this both starts with the letters EXP. I think you've heard that before from me if you've watched any videos. And this is the best way to handle even these power problems. So 5 to the third, dot 5 to the third. And then you could expand it one step further if you wanted to, if you're still not sure what's going on. 5.5.5. So there's 3 5s here. Dot 3 more 5s connected with dots. And you can picture those out in your mind, or some people write them in the beginning. This is the long way of solving this. But we can confidently say, yeah, 3 plus 3, there's 6 of these. Now, how do you go from taking the long way around to using the shortcut? You expand out the exponents in your mind. That's the reason why this works. That's how you have a roadmap to handle any exponent problem with confidence. Let's look at one more problem and see if we can find one just a little bit harder. Okay, here's one last problem. We'll show you the short way and then the long way, okay? So, the short way, if you remember the pattern, if you don't, you just go the long way and you'll figure it out. The short way is to say, hey, 4 and 3, I can multiply those power to power. This is going to become 6 to the, 4 times 3, that's going to be 12. Now, I even forget the pattern sometimes, but as soon as I go the long way, or even look at the map and imagine the long way to the answer, which is I expand out the exponents, it starts to come to me all of a sudden. I start to picture this and I say, wait, if there's 3 of these, that would look like 6 to the 4th, dot 6 to the 4th, dot 6 to the 4th. And then I would have 4 6s, 4 more 6. Oh my gosh, 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's going to be 6 to the 12th. How did I get 12 when you look at the 3 and the 4? Well, the 3 and the 4 turn into a 12 if I multiply them. Oh, okay, so the pattern is I multiply when I have a little bitty number to the parenthesis, little bitty number. Hey, I hope this helps you guys rock out this topic. If you have any other questions, let me know, and we'll catch you guys later. All right, love you guys. Bye-bye.